Rascally garden shrews play with cheese. Rectangular sausages drive the breeze. Art, Mackie, Joseph, Hatch, whirling, bing door, star pit, drap. Hello. I'm sure you all have wondered where I've been. I have had a little bit of introspective time on my efforts to edify, uplift, and to create a creative community for people to explore their inner psyche and let go of their ego a little bit. Anyways, in this introspection, I decided I am going to let the world just kind of stew in what I've already sent out. But if I hear from more than 1 million people, if they direct message me and tell me where is the content, help me feel elevated. If I could get to 1 million, I will come back. I will give you new joys, new insights. Today, I'm happy to tell you that we hit 1 million. I had a direct message actually from a little boy in Turkmenistan, and in his broken English, he only asked, why have you stopped making videos? That's how I'm feeling right now. That little boy made all the difference. Tonight, today, whenever you're watching this, you are now going to be able to see something from the Awesome McAwesome, Awesome Ninja Awesome archives of another summer adventure. And I'm so excited for you to see it. I hope this changes you as much as it changed me making it. Enjoy.
Is it nice?
All right. Today was supposed to be party day. We were going to party all day long at the houseboat. And guess what happened? I'll tell you what happened.
I'm down here.
The world hates us. That's what happened. The world thinks we're the worst people ever. That's all I can imagine because of this.
Mommy.
It's raining. I was going to be doing this stuff nonstop. I was going to be playing in the rain. Not playing in the rain. That's stupid. Here, watch out. I was going to come out here and I was going to get on the kayaks and the boat and the wave runners and the stand-up paddleboard. And now I do nothing. I do nothing.
Sorry, I'm not.
Something you learn about the lake is that toilets are no longer necessary because everybody uses the bathroom in the lake. Look. You see that? That's me peeing. Landon.
Let her out.
Landon. Landon. Did you pee?
No.
You didn't pee?
Yeah.
You're lying. You are lying. I know it. Grayson, did you pee?
Did you pee?
Did you pee? Did you pee? Yeah, you peed. Guess what Addie's doing right now? You're peeing, aren't you?
No.
Yes, you are. Liar! You are peeing. That was the first thing you did in here. You're like, oh, I can't wait to pee.
No,
I'm gonna pee. Addie, look into the camera and just be honest. Confess.
I'm not peeing.
You're lying.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. All right.
No, because if I would pee, I would go out there.
Oh, because the water's so much clearer and less infected with other pee over there.
No, because I don't want to pee near you.
Aw, that wasn't really thoughtful. She's just saying that. Right now we know she's peed everywhere.
What, you
It's warm, isn't it?
Wow, that was amazing. It's life. I can't do anything about it. No, I've just got to swim in the rain. Now, I'm doing a dive. Here we go. I bet that looked really cool. I bet it looked awesome. Oh, curse you, Rain! Curse you!